Right now we're doing a setup for the Euro Chef. Say chef with the Swiss franc. It's off the daily chart. Let's go into the weekly to see if there's anything that I can mention here. Well, I see divergence here, meaning you have a high break of the band, and if you've been watching some of my previous trades, you can see how I always say breaks of the bands. You get your first break. I use that as a counter trend trade. And then I look for a retest of that area. So this is what I mean. You had the break, and look how it came down, but then it came back up. So it really wasn't a true signal for a short. It was a counter trend from this long trend. I'm not saying that this is going to be any better, but it has a higher probability with this forming divergence down here with the making higher highs but lower highs on the CCI. That's divergence. So I'm looking to possibly look right now. I'm going to take my profits out at here at 30.75. So that's going to be maybe 200 pips. Yeah, 215 pips or 210 pips drop. What I might do is scale in or scale out because this has the potential to drop all the way back down here to maybe test this support turn to resistance. I'm just use this one, and as we can see, that's a possible valid line because you had your mother bar inside here, broke. Now it's going to have to retest. So what I may do is put my TP right here, but set an alert to maybe take some profit here, or take profit. It depends on if the trade doesn't go throughout the end of the week. At the end of the week, I might close it out and then wait till the next week to catch some of the retracement of it. So let me go to the daily chart to explain some more price action. So you have a band break here, came down. Now it's retesting this zone. See how it came back up to this zone or area. It depends on what you like to use, or you can do support or resistance. Because how it broke here, it came back down to test it. Now it's back up. Now you have this is another price action right here. You have a mother bar, inside bar, and then a break to the low of the mother bar of this one, giving us a signal of a short entry. So I did a market sell short right here. So I'm already short. So what I'm going to do is just go back in and modify my TP and my stop loss. So just quick and simple, put my stop loss above the swing high of 705. So that's going to give me 115 pips or 120 pips as a stop loss. This is a live entry, so 1.1775 TP 1.11237. So we'll see how that turns out. No, I want to get that break of this. I don't know if this is a symmetrical triangle or a raising flag or whatever type of pattern that may be, but it's some type of flag pattern or something, or it just could be just a channel, how prices have been channeling back and forth here. So hopefully it comes down and get some type of momentum, but it's still strong on the weekly. So maybe in this trade for maybe a week, two, I may be looking to, I'm going to set an alert as well right here, because these were lows, so I'm just setting alert. I'm going to modify that. This is just so I can I don't know what I want to say, maybe modify trade, look to take profits. All right, tested it. Let's see if it comes to my cell phone. So, and as well, on the week, if you look at the price action on the weekly, you have break of the band, you have a bearish pin bar here, you also have another pin bar here with a, this is not so strong of a pin bar, it's still a bearish pin bar even though the body of it is closed higher. So this will be the mother bar. So if we get a break of this, it will be a good signal as well.